Welcome to TechMaster. My name is Rohan D'Souza and today we are going to see the unboxing of Nokia Lumia 620. This is my Lumia phone which I have got. There are various different colors available with Lumia such as black, white, magenta, cyan, yellow. Now this is the box of Lumia which the company provides, and this is all about Nokia Lumia 620. Now we start with the unboxing. This is a black piece of Nokia Lumia 620. There are 3 keys available. The center key works as a switching mode on. This is a Windows 8 phone, having Windows 8 applications being made available with this. Along with this, it has many other features like Nokia Eye Care. Now, Nokia City Lens helps you to explore all the things that are located nearby areas. Just by clicking on any of this, can get an easy access to the close by areas having food places. Similarly, you can also access the hotels, shopping, famous fun sites, as well as transportations located surrounding you, which helps you and guides you towards a particular location. Now let's talk about some of the features of Lumia 620. The display has TFT captivative touchscreen with a clear black display. The screen is about 3.81 inches. Processor of 1 GHz dual core Snapdragon S4. The GPU of Adreno 305. It supports a RAM of 512. It has an internal memory of 8 GB with a user memory of about 5 GB. It can be expanded via a micro SD up to 64 GB. Now this phone has 2 cameras, a primary camera having an autofocus along with a secondary camera which is VGA. Now it supports geotagging and touch focusing. It supports video recording of HD, that is up to 720p at 30 fps with a continuous focusing. The RAM of this phone is about 512 MB. Now, Nokia Lumia 620 supports secondary VGA camera for video calling, as you can see over here. Music supports about 3.5 mm jack, which you can clearly see over here, and it supports Dolby headphones with enhancement. The display is 3.8 TFT capacitive multi-touch with a clear black display. It supports connectivity such as 2G, 3G network, Wi-Fi, NFC with a Bluetooth V3.0. The mobile has a battery of 1300 mAh Li-ion battery. This was all about the phone. Now we move on to what are the accessories that we get into this box. First of all, we get a manual, operating manual, which consists of all the information about the phone, regarding about the screen, how to work, how to remove the cover or the shell of the mobile. It also contains a lot amount of information about the battery and whatever supports that have been available with this mobile phone. The next thing that we get with this mobile as an accessory is a USB charger. Now this is a USB charger which can be used as a USB cord as well as a charger. And this is a way in which it can be used as a charger as well as a USB cord. If you simply remove it from the charging slot, it becomes a USB cord which can be used to transfer all the data into this cell phone. The next thing is we get Nokia headphones with a 3.5 mm jack. Now this is a slot with is about 3.5 mm jack into which this headphones can be inserted, and these are the Nokia Lumia headphones that have been made available by Nokia. So this is all about the accessories that we get into this box of Nokia Lumia 620. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel www.youtube.com/JagdishDidwana.